natin mga kaputok. Series na naman ako ulit kasi nagaganda na ganito.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Ang start is
Everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again
dalawa na naman.
with candy canes and silver lanes that glow.
Tatlo na naman.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yan.
Toys in every store.
Great small magic scorch.
But the prettiest
By
sight to
Tiger.
see is the holly that will be
Inspired
on
tayo.
your
Plus.
own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that'll talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Dalawa. Pangatlo yan, pangatlo. Yan. Sulit, oh. Budget meal, pero sulit. Wow! Ganda. Yan, apat pinalik. Yan. Happy New Year. Thank you for watching.